2024 Lexus ES 300h presents a refined and elegant exterior design, showcasing Lexus' signature spindle grille and sleek LED headlights that provide a modern, sophisticated appearance. Presented by Bell Lexus North Scottsdale, the car's sculpted lines and aerodynamic profile contribute to its striking road presence, while 18-inch alloy wheels and available panoramic sunroof add to its premium look. The exterior is designed not only for aesthetics, but also for optimized performance and efficiency, enhancing its hybrid capabilities. Under the hood, the Lexus ES 300h is equipped with a 2.5-liter inline-4 hybrid engine that delivers an impressive balance between power and fuel efficiency. The hybrid system produces a combined 215 horsepower, which is more than enough for smooth, responsive acceleration in both city and highway driving. Additionally, its excellent fuel economy, averaging around 44 miles per gallon combined, makes it one of the most fuel-efficient luxury sedans in its class. The smooth handling paired with the adaptive variable suspension ensures a comfortable and composed ride, providing a premium driving experience. The back seats of the Lexus ES 300h are designed for maximum comfort, with ample legroom and headroom that accommodates taller passengers with ease. The high-quality materials extend to the rear cabin, with plush seating and available features such as heated and ventilated seats. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide support on long drives, while the rear passengers also enjoy convenient access to climate controls, cup holders, and USB charging ports. Stepping inside the ES 300h reveals a meticulously crafted interior that emphasizes luxury and comfort. Premium materials like leather upholstery, wood accents, and ambient lighting create a warm, inviting cabin. The seats are power adjustable and designed to offer both support and relaxation, ideal for long journeys. The cabin also features thoughtful touches like soft touch surfaces and noise-reducing insulation, ensuring a quiet, serene driving experience. Lexus places a strong emphasis on safety, equipping the ES 300h with the Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. This includes advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection. Additional safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, all designed to provide peace of mind during every drive. The combination of these features helps the vehicle achieve top safety ratings. The 2024 ES 300h comes packed with cutting-edge technology. It features a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The available Mark Levinson premium audio system offers crisp, immersive sound quality. Other notable tech features include a head-up display, wireless smartphone charging, and a voice-activated navigation system. The infotainment is user-friendly, with intuitive controls and quick response times enhancing the overall driving experience. Convenience is at the forefront of the 2024 Lexus ES 300h, with features that make both short trips and long journeys enjoyable. The car offers a hands-free power trunk, making it easy to load and unload cargo. Keyless entry and push-button start enhance daily convenience, while the memory settings for the driver's seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors allow you to personalize your driving position instantly. Multiple USB ports, a large storage console, and thoughtful interior layout make every ride practical. The 2024 Lexus ES 300h strikes a perfect balance between luxury, performance, and efficiency. Its elegant design, high-end interior, and state-of-the-art technology make it a standout in the hybrid luxury sedan segment. With its commitment to safety, comfort, and innovation, the ES 300h delivers a premium driving experience while being mindful of fuel economy and environmental impact. Head to BellLexusNorthScottsdale.com. Give us a call at 480-566-6788 or visit our showroom today.